Alright, today we're going to retrofit light fixture. Taking out the fluorescent bulbs and changing it over to LEDs. First off, we are going to disconnect our power. I'm not sure if y'all can see this or not yet. Hold on. So right here, I'm going to disconnect this from power. Just like that. See right there? And then I'm going to cut right here. You strip those back. So I cut those, strip these back. Put that aside. Get the other ones done. Now on these retrofit, you're going to want to do neutral to one side, positive to the other. I like to do neutral to my single wire. You don't have to, it's just me wiring up that thing together. Just like that. Go over here to the other side. Get these blue wires. The exact same thing. Cut them. Strip them back. I'm going to wire nut them to my black. And sometimes you might get into your fixture and your ballast will be wired in and it be wire nutted instead of having this connector right there. All right. Put all that together. Let me get my bulbs. These are marked with an L on it for line and an N for neutral. And I got my neutral down here on this end. Twist that down a little bit. Put this one in. We got light. And this one in. And we have light. All right, folks, that's all there is to it. That's retrofitting to LEDs. Cheaper. More expensive at first because the LED bulbs are probably, I don't know, maybe $8 a piece. But anyway, that's all there is to it. You folks have a good one.